Oh my goodness. He gave Papa a gift. Oh my gosh, he gave us both. You know what they are? Hey folks, it's Papa, Texas. And this is Maddie. That's right, this is Maddie's YouTube birthday mail call. Here's her cupcake. So we can show. Check that out. People are awesome. Got a lot of cards to go through. And we got 2 boxes. All right, stay with us. We're gonna rearrange a little bit of this and we're gonna go through these. I know it's gonna take a while. It's up to you. And we get to decide whether we're gonna do it in parts, called sessions or something like that. Series, called series, or if we're just gonna do it all one big swoop. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Links are down below to the people that sent stuff. If some people here do not make videos on YouTube. Pull that out of there and show them what you got. This is from Tony Patty. What you got?
Card. $20.
$20. Let me tell you this, Tony Patty, he is, I do have his link down below, but let me tell you, $20? Yeah. Huh?
100.
That's right, in one day. Okay? Anyway, let me tell you about Tony. Okay, he does not make videos. Yes, he's got a YouTube channel. Yes, he has subscribers. He's got 74 subscribers. Anyway, I have sent a couple things to him. I believe some jelly and some, I think some Uncle Steve shake went to him. He's up in Canada. We got a couple Canadians here today. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you, Tony Battie. He's been on with us for a long time. Yes, he has. Well, that is awesome. Money wasn't meant to be, but she loves it. We already got to go to the bank, deliver some stuff. All right, I'm gonna help her out. This one here is from Mayhem RV. Okay, show him the card. He's out of Ottawa, and he does not make videos either. He's a watcher, he says, but I believe he's a $5. We're up to 20. We need to have more birthdays.
$105.
That's right. That's right. Okay. Anyway, he does have a channel. He's got 63 subscribers. Like I said, he says he's a watcher. I know he doesn't have any videos on there. I really appreciate that one. Hi, Maddie. Thanks for helping Papa make his cooking videos. They are fun to watch, and I learn a lot. Have Papa take you and get a nice treat. That is awesome. Papa might know me as Mayhem RV, but my real name is Jeff. My real name's Papa. Thank you, Jeff. That was very kind of you. And I saw you over in Blind Views that day, or Thursday night. I couldn't watch it. I came late. And you said, when's Battie making her cards out? All right, these are no specific order, y'all. Show them the card. Let's get it up there. I do like that somehow. All right. This is from Jojofibs vlog. Okay, she's in Pennsylvania. Let me tell you what. Oh, let's go ahead and read this first, and I'll tell you about her. She's a friend of mine. I have met up with her. Congratulations on the Big 10. We wish you an awesome birthday and are excited to wish you a happy birthday. Much love and birthday blessings from us at Jojofibs vlog. Jojo, Max, Minnie, and Stevie. Yeah, Stevie's my buddy. He's grumpy sometimes. Those are her birds, okay? She's a young girl. She was at Lollapalooza. She's a young girl trying to figure out how to do the mobile life. Mobile life. With her birds. That's right. And her link is down below. That'd be Jojo. She's trying to figure that out. You might want to follow her journey. Okay? And they're all spelling your name right. What's your addresses? Oh! Happy birthday! Made our license plates. You know I thought it was somebody else. Oh, this best wishes for a happy birthday. This is Marilyn Monroe. The main place I see her is on Blind Views on Thursday nights. She has been over to my channel. But anyway, I appreciate her thinking of Maddie. I believe she is in Maryland. Baltimore? Maryland. That's right. And we thank you very much, and we will see you on the tubes of Marilyn Monroe. I believe I couldn't find, anyway. This one right here on this part, it does not say who it's from. I'll show the card. You read it? Louder.
It's your birthday party like a flock star.
A flock star. It's got flamingos on it. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, I have met this guy too. They live L and Badge. Badge, everyone needs one. That's right. He's been on some of my videos. That is very cool. No, you didn't meet him. If you saw a video of me saying everybody needs a badge, that's Badge. That's Badge and L. And actually, yeah, Phoenix, Arizona. They travel the United States for, they can go up to 180 days a year. And so right now, cold weather up there, they got smart. They down here. See what she's got? This is from T Edmond in Brooklyn, New York. I believe they don't have videos out, but they did let me know that they're Camo Dave's viewers in New York City. Camo Dave talks about things going on YouTube. I'll leave him connected with them down below. Oh, cool.
Stickers.
It said, hi, Maddie. May every wish be yours on this very special happy birthday from J&T, Camo Dave's viewers in New York City. That is awesome. Look at that. You got a bunch of stickers. You gonna share those with your sisters? Yeah. So we got some Christmas stickers. Hope we're not too far away from the camera. We got some farm animals. Flowers. This one, all it does is says airmail. Came from overseas. Came from overseas. All right. Got some little kitty. Oh, the kitty cats. Yeah. I know. Hugs and kisses from Colin and Kathy and our pussy cats. Cuddly, Fluffy, Nugget, Nikki Kane, Tiger, Mikey from Australia. Happy 10th birthday, Maddie. I'll tell you what, I don't think I found like if you have a channel or not, so I could not add it down below. You leave me a comment and I will come find it and I will add it. Your name is in my description box, but not a link to it. Pretty cool, and you know where Australia is because we've gotten mail from Australia. We've used our big board. It's that island out there next to New Zealand. I know, that's pretty cool. Sydney, Australia. Dirty D's just, yeah, Dirty D's was there for like 3 months working. Okay, pull that one out. Oh, this one's from Gypsy Pair. Let's show the card. This is the ones that were in the Jeep when we were camping. And I want to tell you what, Dennis and Debbie, they travel, they got a Jeep they pull behind a big rig. They travel, he's retired military. She's an awesome Southern cook. You know, I was out there camping. They were out there the whole time I was there. I think it ended up being 13 days or something. She brought food over, and it was pretty good. Sometimes I was just a little bit hungry. I'd eat 3 or 4 bowls of what she brings. That's right. The only thing I didn't get is some of that gravy she made at breakfast time. Happy birthday, Maddie. You rule. Hope you have it. Oh, this is a sticker, by the way. I think you have one, but anyway, so there's another sticker for you. Hope you have a happy birthday from Gypsy Pair, aka Dennis and Debbie. Awesome, y'all. It is awesome. This is from Anita Savers from Palestine, Texas. We got cats on there. Open her up. Yeah. Maddie, wishing you the happiest birthday a little girl can possibly have. Anita and the Kitty Clan. Yeah. Awesome. I appreciate that. And then we got this one. This one's coming from Dorothea R. Walker. Dorothea Walker, she does have a channel, no videos. But anyway, I see her out and about commenting on me, and I see her over in a couple places that I go to. Got another card. It's gonna make music again. Another kitty cat.
I need a cute cute-hearted wishing you a
Only the cute-hearted wishing you a perfectly happy day. Walker Clan kitties. Oh, tickle me. Aww. Tickle me belly. Now purring. Awesome. We thank you, Dorothea. Move on. Oh, 2 more. I was camping with both these people too. 2 more, and then the box reveal. This one's Saucy, the Towboat chef. Okay, I'm sure you know her. She's been in my videos. She's an awesome cook. I know it live in person. She works on a towboat on the rivers up here in the United States. And if you go to her channels, her links are down below. You can see her cooking on the boat for the guys. Yeah, it's my buddy Saucy. And she's in my videos. Happy birthday, Maddie, from Saucy the Towboat Chef. Pull up the top. We know what that sounds like. We'll listen to the whole thing later. If you know what I mean. Alright. 1 more! Who could that be? Who is that? Strong's Adventures. We were just camping out last weekend together. Could have just handed this to me and saved the stamps, you know. Alright, pull right out of there. Y'all, I know Billy and Rhonda. They're in a lot of my videos. We got another channel combined together. They've got their own channel, Strong's Adventures. Say it louder. It's your birthday. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I could flip. Have a great one. And she got more money and another sticker. Look at that. Awesome. $115 in 1 day she got. And what even your birthday today? Your birthday was 3 days ago. Your birthday was 4 days ago. Your birthday was 5 days ago. Birthday is Monday, today Saturday. Okay, I really am stoked. I appreciate this. I hope y'all made it through it. We're gonna open up the 2 boxes and we're gonna talk about those. I know you've been dying to see what people send her in these big boxes. So have I.
Thank you for the birthday mail.
What?
Thank you for the birthday mail. Thank you.
Alright, well that's the best you're going to get out of her saying that, because she turned shy when I walked away and she's staring at the camera. So that was her thank you. She really does appreciate it. It really meant a lot to her. I really appreciate it. She's 10. That is crazy. It's Papa Texas, and
Madi.
see you.